Hello, this is a brief follow-up to my Harbor Freight 4x8 trailer build video. In this video, I'll explain why I needed to modify the trailer coupler and how I went about it. The Mazda 2 is a small car, and while the receiver I installed required no cutting, that also meant it sat much lower than normal to clear the rear apron. I knew we'd need a riser mount for the ball, but my online search resulted in conflicting information about the coupler height of the Harbor Freight trailers. I decided to build the trailer first and then verify the coupler height before purchasing the ball mount. Following this guide from eTrailer, I measured from the top of the receiver opening on the car to the ground. Then I leveled the trailer and measured from the ground to the bottom of the coupler. Because our car called for rise rather than drop, I subtracted the receiver height from the coupler height. With the coupler mounted in the original position, the needed rise would have been 8 1/4 inches. That amount of rise was too much, so I removed the T-plate from the bottom of the tow bars and the coupler plate from the top, with the coupler and chains still attached. I installed the coupler plate to the underside of the tow bars, then installed the T-plate on top. By installing the T-plate that way, it clamps down on the top of the coupler, reinforcing it. Relocating the coupler reduced the rise to 5 1/2 inches. It also makes it much more difficult to remove the coupler and chains. With the new rise established, I was lucky enough to find this Kurt model ball mount. Fortunately, it's designed to work either way, so when turned over, it provides a 5 3/8 inch rise. It also has a 5 1/2 inch length, keeping the ball close to the car to reduce stress on the receiver and car frame. That'll do it for now. Stay tuned for other modifications and additions. Thanks for watching.